Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. This is really very important time, the decision making time for the price action of Bitcoin, as it is still moving at the really very end of this triangle. The symmetrical triangle is squeezed too much, and at the same time in my yesterday's video we saw two bullish reversal moves. One was the falling wedge pattern, another was the bullish cipher pattern that was formed on the daily time frame chart, and this was the previous bullish cipher pattern that I shared yesterday at the Patreon as well. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Now I'm just going to play this chart, and after playing this chart we can see what the price action did after that. The price action, we can see at that time, was moving in the buying zone of this bullish cipher pattern, and this is the link for the chart. And after playing the chart we can see that the price action turned bullish from this buying zone of this bullish cipher and hit the sell zone. And at the same time the price line also formed the falling wedge pattern on the 4-hour chart, and this was the falling wedge pattern. And we can see that while the price action turned bullish from this potential reversal zone of the bullish cipher pattern on the daily time frame chart, and as I told you that once it will be turned bullish from here, it can also break out the resistance of the falling wedge. But still we don't have the powerful buying volume, and even at this time you can see that the sell volume has again appeared and the price action is likely to move down. Maybe we will have a retest of this previous resistance of this falling wedge as a support, and then the price action can move up. The target for this rising falling wedge pattern can be the tail of this falling wedge, that is approximately at $39,500. Now let's move to this big triangle that has been formed on the daily time frame chart, and we can see that still the price action is moving at the support of this symmetrical triangle. Yesterday when we saw, the price action was at the support, and a day before yesterday the price action was at the support, and today the price action is still at the support. And this is a bit critical, because if the price action will retest the support again and again, there will be more chances for the breakdown of this support. However, the volume is too low, and we can see that the volume is decreased. And without volume we cannot expect a confirmed breakdown or breakout. If we'll have a breakdown, we need a volume, and for the breakout from this triangle, definitely we need the buying volume as well. And if the price action will break down, then we can expect a move up to $23,000. and if the price action will be moved up from here or break out this resistance of the triangle, then the next move can be approximately at $50,000. And now I would like to again place the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this triangle to show you the interest of the traders. What is the area where the traders are interested to trade the Bitcoin within this triangle? And still we have the traders' interest to the downside here, and to the upside we have the traders' interest up to this level, that is approximately $39,500 or $600, exactly where we have the next target of this falling wedge pattern after this breakout of the resistance. And now if we take a look at the MACD indicator, then we can see that the MACD is again turned bullish. It was strong bullish here and turned weak bullish from strong bullish, and now it is again turned strong bullish. Maybe the price action will follow this indicator, this signal, and it will move up to the breakout, because the MACD is turning bullish. The volume profile is still showing the interest of the traders up to this level and very weak interest of the traders below this level. Therefore, whenever the price action is moving below this level, it is moving to the upside, and whenever the price action is trying to move above this level, it is getting rejected again and again and moving back into the triangle. And in my opinion, if the price line will break down the support of the triangle, it will be really very difficult for the price action to move up to $23,000, because if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, we have a very strong support here that is $30,000. Previously the price action used this support formed this support here. We had another rally to the upside, and when we had another drop, more than 50%, the price action again moved down to this support, and it is likely to be geared up from here. And if we place the Fibonacci indicator from this low to this high, then we can see that the price line has almost retraced up to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. This is our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and you can see that this $30,000 level is very close to this level. Therefore, we are very close to this golden pocket and this $30,000 support as well. And on the same weekly time frame chart, the price line is also getting bounced by the support of this lower bands of the Bollinger Bands. And we have also received the buying signal or the bull cross by the stochastic on the weekly time frame chart. You can see that this blue line has crossed up this red line. So on the long term, the price line is turning bullish. We can see that it is likely to have a good bounce by the support of the Bollinger Bands, and also we have received the buying signal by the stochastic. We are having a very good long-term support at $30,000, and the price line is also very close to this golden pocket as well. So on the long term, we can expect that the price action can start a really very big move. But at this time, on the short term, if the price action will break down this support, then it can move to $30,000 to retest this very strong support. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.